Truck accident attorney advocates for justice and compensation. First is introduction. Truck accident or catastrophic events that can result in severe injuries, fatalities, and substantial property damage. When these accidents occur, victims and their families often face overwhelming challenges. Navigating the legal aftermath of a truck accident can be complex and daunting, which is where truck accident attorney comes to the rescue. In this comprehensive essay, we will explore the crucial role of truck accident attorneys, their expertise and legal landscape they operate in, and the impact they have on the lives of accident victims. Section 1 is understanding truck accidents. To appreciate the significance of truck accident attorneys, it is essential to first understand what constitutes a truck accident. These incidents involve commercial vehicles, often enormous in size and weights, colliding with other vehicles or pedestrians. The consequences of such accidents The consequences of such accidents can be devastating given the inherent risk associated with large trucks. Truck accidents can occur for various reasons, including driver fatigue, mechanical failures, inadequate maintenance, improper loading, and reckless driving. Understanding the common causes and the severity of truck accident compared to the regular car accident sets the stage for comprehending the importance of truck accident attorneys. Section 2, the legal landscape. The legal landscape surrounding truck accident is complex and multifaceted. In the United States, the trucking industry is heavily regulated by federal, states, and laws. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration plays a crucial role in establishing and enforcing the regulations that govern the commercial trucking operations. Truck accident attorneys must have a deep understanding of these regulations and how they impact their clients' cases. They need to navigate a legal framework that includes rules of hours of services, weight limits, driver qualifications, vehicle maintenance, and more. An overview of these regulations and role of federal agencies is vital in appreciating the attorney's role. Section 3 is about when to seek a legal counsel. Knowing when to seek the service of a truck accident attorney is critical for the accident victims. Often victims may not be aware of their rights or potential pitfalls of dealing directly with the insurance companies. Signs that a victim may need an attorney include the severity of injuries, disputes over liabilities, and concern about receiving fair compensation. Prompt action is crucial when gathering evidence, talking to witnesses, and preserving crucial information. This section highlights the importance of legal counsel in protecting the victim's interest from outlets. Section 4 is about the truck accident attorney's role. Truck accident attorneys bring specialized expertise to their clients. They act as advocates, investigators, and legal strategists. Their roles encompasses following: investigating the accident, gathering evidence, including accident reports, driver's logs, and electronic data. Second is interviewing the witness, accident reconstruction experts, and medical professionals. Third is negotiating with the insurance companies to pursue fair compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pains, and sufferings. Preparing for the trial. When case goes to the court, truck accident attorneys must build a compelling case for their client. This section develops into the multifaceted role that attorneys plays in the advocating for the accident victims. Section 5 is a compensation for the truck accident victims. Victims of the truck accident are entitled to the various forms of compensation, including the economic and non-economic damages. Economic damages cover the medical expense, lost wages, property damages, and other tangible costs. Non-economic damages encompass the pain and sufferings, emotional distress and trauma, and the impact on a victim's quality of life. Truck accident attorneys plays a critical role in calculating and pursuing these damages on the behalf of their clients. They aim to secure just compensation that reflects the full extent of the victim's losses. Section 6 is about the success stories. Real life examples of truck accident cases illustrate how truck accident attorneys make a substantial difference in the lives of their clients. These stories showcase the challenges faced, the legal strategies employed, and the outcomes achieved. Success stories highlight the profound impact that skilled attorneys have on the pursuit of the justice and compensation. Section 7 is how to choose the right truck accident. Selecting the right attorney is a critical decision for the truck accident victims. Criteria for making this selection includes evaluating an attorney's experience, track record, communication skill, and willingness to take a case to the trial if necessary. Initial consultations provide an opportunity for the victims to assess an attorney's suitability for their unique situation. This section provides the guidance on the factors to consider when choosing a truck accident attorney. Section 8 is frequently asked question. This section addresses the most common questions that truck accident victims and their families may have regarding the legal process, their rights, and the role of an attorney. एक मौके भी है शुरू करने पढ़ना है पूरा रिकॉर्ड कर दे रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूं चुप 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 ऐसा In the world of road safety, truck accidents stand as a menacing threat, often causing the grievous injuries, fatalities, and profound emotional trauma. In the wake of these devastating events, there is a beacon of hope for the victims of their families. The truck accident attorneys, this essay explores the vital role of truck accident attorneys, shedding lights on their expertise, the intricacies of their profession, and the profound impact they have on those who have suffered due to the truck accident. Section 1 is the perilous world of a truck accident. Before we dive into the world of truck accident attorneys, it's crucial to understand the gravity of truck accidents. These collisions involve the massive commercial vehicles capable of causing catastrophic destruction. The causes are multifaceted, including driving fatigue, mechanical failures, reckless driving, and external factors such as weather condition and road hazards. Truck accidents are notorious for their severity, often leaving a trail of destruction and suffering in their wake. To appreciate the work of truck accident attorneys, one must first comprehend the challenges posed by these traumatic events. Truck accident attorneys are not merely legal professionals, they are the advocates for the justice, champions for their injured, and voices of those who can't speak for themselves. They are adept in navigating the intricate and ever-evolving legal landscape that governs the trucking industry. In the United States, federal and state laws regulating the truck sectors, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration sets the state with comprehensive regulations that encompass drivers' qualification, vehicles maintenance, hours of service, and safety protocols. Truck accident attorneys must master regulations to effectively represent their clients. Timing is often essence of justice, and in the aftermath of a truck accident, it can make all difference. Victims who seek legal counsel promptly stand a better chance of securing their rights and receiving fair compensation. Signs that a victim may require an attorney includes the severity of injuries, disputes over liability, and concern about the insurance settlement. Truck accident attorneys understand the importance of swift action in preserving the crucial evidence, talking to the witness, and ensuring that their client's interests are protected from the outset. Trucking accident attorneys wear many hats as they navigate the complex world of legal advocacy. Their roles encompass following: investigating the accident, gathering evidence, collaborating with the accident reconstruction experts, and scrutinizing the travel logs, negotiating with the insurance companies to secure the fair compensation for the medical bills, lost wages, and the intangible cost of pain and suffering. Preparing for the litigation when case proceeds to the court, building a compelling case for their clients. Victims of truck accidents are entitled to various forms of compensation, ranging from economic damages covering medical experience and lost wages to the non-economic damages addressing pain, suffering, and emotional trauma. Truck accident attorneys work tirelessly to calculate and pursue the damages on the behalf of their clients, aiming to ensure the victims are adequately compensated for their losses. The impact of truck accident attorneys is perhaps best illustrated through the real life access stories. These narratives recount the challenges faced, the legal strategies employed, and the tangible difference made in the lives of accident victims. Success stories highlight the immense contributions that dedicated attorneys make to pursue the justice and rebuilding of lives shattered by the truck accident. Choosing the right truck accident attorney is a pivotal decision for the victims and their families. Factors to consider include the attorney's experience, track record, communication skills, and willingness to go to the trial when necessary. Initial consultations provide an invaluable opportunity for the victims to assess an attorney's suitability for their unique cases. While in conclusion, truck accident attorneys are using heroes of road safety, tirelessly advocating for the victims in the aftermath of catastrophic truck accidents. They bring legal expertise, unwavering determination, and a commitment to the justice to their client's case. In the face of adversity, truck accidents attorneys offer hope, healing, and the promise of a brighter future for those who have suffered the devastating consequences of these accidents. That's all. मैंने दो एडवांस पढ़ी 12 मिनट वाले फोन में आज की देर से ये खड़ी रहा है ये खड़ी पास और फोन में आ सकते हैं